Can you tell me what is cybersecurity?
Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer system, networks, and digital information from thief, damage, or unauthorized access. It encompasses a wide range of techniques, technologies, and best practices aimed at safeguarding digital assets, including data, software, hardware, and the networks that connect them. The primary goal of cybersecurity is to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information and resources in the face of various threats such as hackers, malware, viruses, and other malicious actors.
Okay. In your own opinion, what is the best cybersecurity system?
In my opinion, there is no such single best cybersecurity system that fits all situations or needs. The choice of a cybersecurity system depends on various factors, including an organization's specific requirements, the nature of its digital assets, its risk tolerance, and its budget. However, one well-recognized and effective cybersecurity framework is the National Institute of Standard and Technology, also known as NIST Cybersecurity Framework.
Why NIST and how does it works?
NIST provides a comprehensive set of guidelines and best practices for organizations to manage and improve their cybersecurity posture. The NIST framework is a valuable resource that helps organizations identify, protect, detect, respond to, and recover from cybersecurity threats and incidents. How? The, because the NIST cybersecurity framework works by providing a structured approach to managing and improving an organization's cybersecurity posture. The framework is flexible and can be customized to meet the organization's specific needs. Organizations assess their current cybersecurity posture against the framework, identify gaps, and make improvements accordingly. The NIST framework is a practical guide to enhance an organization's cybersecurity resilience and reduce the risk of data breaches and cyber attacks.
Can you tell me what is hacking all about?
Hacking refers to the act of gaining unauthorized access to computer system, networks, or digital devices, typically with the intent of manipulate, steal, or distract information or resources. Hacking can encompass a broad range of activities, and not all hacking is malicious. It's important to note that while some hacking can be for constructive purposes, unauthorized and malicious hacking is illegal and unethical. The term hacker can have both positive and negative connotations depending on the intent and legality of actions involved.
Since you discussed about that ethical hacking, can you discuss what is cybercrime and ethical hacking?
Cybercrime refers to criminal activities conducted using computers, networks, and digital technologies. These activities are typically aimed at exploiting vulnerabilities, stealing data, committing fraud, and causing harm in the digital realm. While on the other hand, in the ethical hacking is practice of deliberately proving and testing computer system and network with the authorization of the owner to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses. The purpose of ethical hacking is to enhance security by uncovering potential threats before malicious hackers can exploit them. That's all.
Okay, thank you for imparting your knowledge and good